Hello, and today we'll be looking at the exclusive shower column collection available at Golden Elite Deco. Let's start with the available colors. You can choose from black, chrome, white, and elegant combinations of these shades suitable for all bathroom styles. Our shower columns are equipped with a thermostatic system. This means the water temperature remains constant even if someone else uses water in the house. Say goodbye to the unexpected temperature fluctuations and enjoy a consistently pleasant shower. Each shower column features high-quality finishings, ensuring a lasting and aesthetically pleasing addition to your space. Finally, our shower columns are equipped with a handheld shower head. Versatile and practical, it allows you to direct the water precisely where you want it, making rinsing and cleaning effortless. Discover all of these features in the shower column collection from Golden Elite Deco and transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of comfort by visiting our website today.